Building and improving your credit score isn't an overnight process, but there are services out there that might help give your score a boost. In this video, we're talking about popular credit boosting services like Experian Boost, Ultra FICO, Perch, and Self. We're going to cover how each of them work and things to keep in mind if you choose one of these services. Hey Wealth Builders, I'm Mishak.
And I'm Akiva.
And welcome back to another episode of The Bemused. On this channel, we talk about all things personal finance for young adults just like you and us.
So if you're into that kind of stuff, go on ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. And while you're at it, click the notification bell so that you never miss when we post new valuable videos just like this one right here. First up, Experian Boost. I don't know about y'all, but I get their ads all the time. Experian Boost allows you to add your utility and telecom bill payment history to your Experian credit file, providing an opportunity for you to improve your credit profile. If you've been paying these bills on time, Experian Boost will factor that positive payment history into your credit file, which can often instantly improve your FICO score. You can grant Experian permission to connect to your online bank accounts. The service will then identify any utility and telecom payments. After you verify the payment data and confirm that you want it added to your Experian credit file, you'll receive an updated FICO score. Allegedly, the whole process can take as little as 5 minutes, and the resulting FICO score boost is immediate. Experian Boost only considers positive payment information, so a late utility or phone payment will not affect your FICO score. Experian Boost is a free service and you can opt out at any time. Here are some things to keep in mind. Remember, there are 3 major credit bureaus and Experian is only one of them. This service only works for Experian scores. And even within each bureau, there might be different credit scoring models. Not all lenders use Experian credit files, and not all lenders use scores that would be impacted by Experian Boost. And on a general note, this service does not guarantee that your score will increase. Some people may not see improved scores or approval odds, so keep that in mind.
Quick commercial break. We've created a fun, free quiz for you all to help determine how your finances are doing and give you resources and tools to help on your financial journey. If you want to take the quiz, the link will be down in the description box below and pinned to the first comment under the video. Now back to talking about credit.
Next up, Ultra FICO. Ultra FICO isn't necessarily a credit boosting service in and of itself, but it can be beneficial for those with little to no credit history. The Ultra FICO score is actually a type of credit score that is generated based on activity from your checking, savings, or money market accounts that shows your responsible financial management. That information includes how much money you have in your accounts, how long you've had those accounts, and how much you use them. So how does this actually work? During a loan application process, participating lenders can ask you if you want to opt in and share your banking activity to get an Ultra FICO score. While this information doesn't appear on your credit report, it can be used to generate alternative types of FICO scores. And there is no cost for this service. Here are the drawbacks. Having an Ultra FICO score only helps if the lender you're trying to use wants to use this credit model in the application process. Right now, Experian is the only credit bureau offering this model, so the Ultra FICO score would only help in limited situations.
Now, let's talk about Perch. Perch is one of the newer kids on the block, and its founder is a 21-year-old college grad. It's a free app that allows you to boost your credit score by reporting rent, utility, and subscription payments like Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, Apple Music, and more to your credit bureaus. And the good news is that they report to multiple credit bureaus. Right now, the app is only available on the App Store, but they have opened pre-registration in the Google Play Store as well. So how exactly does this work? How do you report payments? When it comes to rent, there are services that report your rent to the credit bureaus, but a lot of them charge you a fee to do so. The other drawback of other services is that they require your landlord to respond to the tracking company each month, or they require that they receive payments through their platform. With Perch, according to what we've read, you provide your lease details and grant read-only access to your bank account. That allows Perch to verify your payment history without bugging your landlord or forcing you to change your payment method. Perch can retroactively add up to 24 months of rental payment history to your credit reports with 3 major bureaus. How does subscription reporting work? You tell Perch which recurring subscriptions you want to include, and Perch provides you with a virtual debit card loaded up with the pre-approved amount. You pay your various qualifying subscriptions with that virtual card number and then pay Perch back. Perch reports this virtual card payment activity as an additional trade line on your credit report. Note that Perch currently reports subscriptions to Equifax and TransUnion, with plans to add Experian in the near future. The site claims that after signing up for the service, you should see a change to your credit report within 30 days. Last, let's talk about Self. With Self, you essentially take out a loan held in a bank-held certificate of deposit that you pay off in monthly installments. You don't get any money up front like a traditional loan, but instead, you get your money back at the end of the repayment term. Each month, your payment gets reported to all 3 credit bureaus. They have 4 different loan options you can choose from, with payments as low as $25 a month, and signing up doesn't require a hard credit pull. You can manage your Self account using their mobile-friendly website or app available for both iOS and Android devices. Here are some things you'll want to keep in mind with Self. Self is more of a pay-to-play system when it comes to building credit. In addition to double-digit interest rates on their loans, Self also charges a one-time $9 administrative fee upon sign-up for each of their plans at the time of recording this video. For example, with their lowest plan, you pay $25 per month for 24 months. So at the end of the term, you've paid $600 but gotten back $511.
At the end of the day, these products and services can help create access to credit, and you might find one of them to be a good fit for your circumstances.
Have you tried any of these credit boosting services before? What are your thoughts? Comment down below and let us know.
We dive deep into improving and managing your credit score, protecting your credit, and so much more in our program Money 180. So if you're interested in learning more about that, the link is in the description box below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss when we post new content. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.